All right, we're moving. One thing I like about this lake or pond is you can literally just get right up and close and personal. And then you can hear all the wildlife. And then you have the gazebo. There's two of them, but the other one got some people sitting in there right now. But yeah, you got the gazebo. And then you got the rest. But I just like the fact that you can walk up close. And we have a goose. You're not supposed to feed any of the critters, but it's so tempting when you're here. And there's a bird right over my head. Look like she's trying to build a nest. But she's a new mom. I think I'm intruding. I'm not sure. But I just started my walk, so I'm gonna get to where all the geese are.